Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2009 Subaru Outback. Checking the brake fluid level is easy to do on this vehicle. The reservoir is located in a visible spot in the engine bay, allowing you to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. Both the engine and interior fuse boxes are easy to access on this vehicle. You only have to remove one cover to access either set of fuses, allowing you to troubleshoot electrical problems easily. Removing the battery bracket is extremely easy to do on this car. You only need to remove a few bolts, allowing you to complete a battery change much more efficiently. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The cabin air filter can be difficult to replace. You will have to remove many panels for access and make a tough reach through the glove box. Other models make this access much easier. You will have to reach through the wheel well lining in order to access the fog light. This can be tough, as the lining can grow rigid and tight to the vehicle over time. To access the headlight on either side of the vehicle, you will have to remove either an air intake or a reservoir. While these steps aren't overly problematic, it can add extra time when you need to make a quick bulb change. Overall, the 2009 Subaru Outback is a moderately easy car to maintain, with a few difficult procedures that shouldn't be too hard for the experienced car owner.